fake, number 1. Para lang sa mayayaman ang coaching. Fact to fake. Fact to fake, kapag nagpa-coach ka, ibig sabihin, mahina ka?
Magmahal ng taos, pumulong ng lubos, kumapit sa Diyos, live life, let's go! Let's all be happy and healthy with Connie. Happy and healthy with Connie. Feel love, fly and laugh, live fully. Let's all be happy and healthy with Connie.
Welcome to Happy and Healthy with Connie. Ngayon naman, nasa fact or fake tayo. No? Pag-uusapan po natin ang tungkol sa buhay at paggabay ng ating mga professional coaches. And with us today, of course, si Ms. Tina Sioson. Si Coach Tina ay isa pong executive coach and president ng the Philippines chapter of the International Coaching Federation. Tapos, syempre, makakasama rin natin ang aking longtime friend at coach na rin na si Coach Makay Cuadra. Isa po siyang life coach at marketing and communications director ng the Philippines chapter of the International Coaching Federation.
Yes.
Ayan. Welcome again
Thank
to
you.
Happy and
Thank
Healthy.
you.
Thank you for
Connie.
having us.
Ito na, para doon sa mga mabilisan, para sa mga Gen Z.
Yeah. Oo.
Millennial. Kikwento nyo lang sa amin kung ito ba ay tama o hindi. Paniniwala. Okay. Fact to fake, number 1. Para lang sa mayayaman ang coaching. Fact to fake.
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 Syempre,
Para po ito
para
sa lahat.
Sa lahat.
Oo, lahat ng
Yes.
willing
Yes.
na magpa-coach.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Fact to fake, kapag nagpa-coach ka, ibig sabihin, mahina ka? Oh.
Fake.
Fake. Of course.
Fake.
Fake
of
na
course.
fake.
Oo.
You
Can
have
explain?
the,
Oo.
you have the power. That's the reason why the coach sees you as well and whole. Kaya, hindi lamang siya malakas. No, hindi lamang siya malakas. Tutulungan lang natin siya to unleash that potential.
Ayan.
Yes.
Ang sagot ay nasa sarili
Nasa
din.
sarili.
Okay. Fact to fake, ang coach may pusong tumutulong, nagseserbisyo.
Ayan, fact.
Fact.
Kasi talagang gusto namin, may puso talaga.
Dapat.
Kumisan lahat nga, sinasabi, parang, may time ka pa bang tumulong? Actually, wala na. Siguro kung isipin mo, pero may puso kang tumulong.
Mm-mm.
So, the time will come in because you take time to help.
I
Kasi
think-
yung heart ang nangungunay. Gusto mong tumulong dun sa tao.
Oo. Tsaka yan naman ang, I think, one of our biggest purpose in life, di ba? Yung tayo ay to love, di ba? And love genuinely. And kasama doon yung willingness to help
Yes.
nang walang kapalit.
Yes.
Dito sa Happy and Healthy with Connie, being my title, no? Kailangan, sinasabi ko nga, you know how to balance yung buhay natin, di ba? Sabi nga, may mga paraan, minsan lang ayaw nating tignan, maybe we're too lazy or too afraid to get into things, right? Pero maybe kayo ang sagot na hinaantay ng ating mga manonood ngayon. Paano ba maging happy and healthy and balanse ang buhay? Sige nga, paano ba binabalanse dapat?
Wow, okay. Paano ba hindi babalanse? Kailangan importante talaga yung self-awareness. Okay, self-awareness. Ano yung strengths mo? Ano yung kaya mong gawin? With a balance of knowing also where you are. Katulad ko, okay, nagta-transition ako age-wise. Okay? So, hindi ko nasasabihin yung edad. Pero, di ba? Beep, di ba? Pero nandun ako sa point na ang daming bagong nangyayari. Okay? So, kung minsan naiisip mo, for those who are also in this stage, no, naiisip mo, hanggang kailan ba ako kulang ng kaalaman sa technology? Okay? Or kaya ko pa bang mag-aral kasi hindi ko na yata mami-memorize yung mga yan dahil cognitive-wise, medyo bumababa na yung aking memorization or something. But if you want, it's all in the mind. It starts with being mindful and accepting where you are and what you can do and just kung lalagyan mo pa siya ng spiritual, yung iba sasabihin, I will lift it up to God,
Mm.
or I will surrender, whatever it is that I'm thinking. But still, nandun tayo sa point na kailangan mo rin talagang kilalanin yung sarili mo.
Mm-mm.
And yun nga, how can you really be more self-aware? You talk to someone who can help you, make you realize what do you want to happen in your life but is not happening yet,
Mm-mm.
and why.
Ayan. Magandang may clarity tayo pagdating
Yes.
sa ating direksyon sa buhay.
Yes.
Diba? One step at a time at saka
Yes.
one day at a time.
Oh, sobra. Lalo na nga yung
Hinga-hinga.
polycrisis.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Hindi pwedeng everything all at the same time. May movie yun eh, diba? Yung, I think yung nanalo sa Oscars. Before na everything all at once.
Oo.
Yung mom niya, ang daming iniisip. Yung anak,
Yes.
ang daming iniisip.
Sasabog ka nun.
Sasabog talaga,
Pag
gano'n.
ganon,
Ang
diba?
ganda yung pagkakapaglagay. Pero actually, what is it na sa dulo, ano yung gustong sabihin? Yung humanity mo,
Oo.
yung pagiging tao
Don't
mo.
lose yourself in the
Yes.
process.
And you cannot, talaga naman din.
Yes.
Pwedeng hindi eh.
Oo.
Pwedeng hindi.
So, me naman, Connie, I'd like to connect my last few words on happiness and wellness, no, or health, no. Number one, happiness is something that we don't go after. It's something that we create. Tayo po ang huhubog ng kaligayahan or ligaya natin sa buhay, no. And it starts pagka po natutunan natin na hindi natin kailangang i-compare ang sarili natin sa iba. Because iba ang journey mo, iba rin ang journey niya. At lahat po tayo, journey sa buhay. Yan. So that's my connection in the happiness. And then the other one, yung health. Napakaganda nung different guests nyo dito. Health is not only about physical, no. Ako ang paniniwala ko, ito ay holistic, no? Physical, spiritual, as you mentioned earlier, emotional, where your coaches can really help you. Mental richness or mental health is equally important. Financial health is also important, no? So, ang daming aspeto ng health na tunay na makakatulong sa atin kung tutuunan natin siya ng pansin.
Ayan.
Yes.
And tamang paggabay.
At tama.
Di ba? And siguro ako bilang isang ordinaryo lang naman ako na tao, I
Hindi
think
din.
we have to also be open, 'di ba, to learning new things, discovering ourselves, 'di ba, dun sa process.
Yes.
Yung strengths mo baka hindi mo pa na-discover na mas malakas ka pa than you think. So, just be open-minded and listen to also yung advice ng mga nandyan para tumulong sa atin, like our professional coaches. Ayan, makakatulong one step at a time.
Yes.
Hinga-hinga. Diba? Darating din ang
Yes.
solusyon sa bawat problema, sabi nga nila.
Sure.
Ayan, thank you so very much
Thank you.
sa ating mga professional coaches. Of course, si Coach Tina Sioson at Coach Makay Quadra. Tandaan, kung dumarating ho yung panahon, sabi ko nga na meron tayong iniindang mabigat sa ating isipan at kalooban, merong solusyon yan. Humanap at makipag-usap po sa mga ICF professional coaches at bibigyan po nila kayo ng espasyo at oras upang makipag-usap sa inyo. Pakinggan kayo ng walang judgment, makatulong sa inyong well-being. Yun naman ang kanilang talagang goal, syempre, and purpose. Para po sa iba pang impormasyong pangkalusugan, tumutok lamang po kayo rito sa Happy and Healthy with Connie, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happy and Healthy YouTube channel. And always remember, stay happy and healthy. God bless us all. Ingat po kayo.
Let's all be happy.